What's up, everybody? Here's one for all those Explorer fans out there. I've got a rust-free 1992 Ford Explorer XLT. Super clean, rust-free shape. It's got the 4.0 V6. It does not run. I'm pretty sure the engine is junk. Very nice paint, nice straight body. It's set up with motorhome tow bar brackets in the front. It's got the wiring plug. Very clean inside. I think that window doesn't work. It's got tape on it. It's showing 55,685 on the mileage. Underside, very clean. '92 Ford Explorer, 4-wheel drive, needs an engine, rust-free shape, very nice and clean. No trades, no financing, no test drive. Show up with money in a trailer and we can load this one up for you. Thanks for watching.